Then we have the second column, ka. How to pronounce ka. Ka is just the K sound plus a, making a ka sound. It's pronounced like ka in karma. See how this kind of looks like a mosquito? What a convenient coincidence. Mosquitoes happen to be called ka in Japanese. You also say, cut it out, darn mosquito, when they try to suck your blood. So that should be easy to remember. Ka. Yes, mosquito in Japanese is ka. 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. Ki. Ki is just the K sound plus E, making a ki sound. It's pronounced ki, just like in the word key. Well, again, in English, ki has a long vowel. Always remember that in Japanese, it's short vowels. So we wouldn't say ki, but ki, ki. Notice how the shape of ki resembles a key. In some fonts, the bottom part is detached from the main part. For example, ki. The pronunciation is still ki though. So you see here, it's all attached. Just like they show here, to practice writing ki, don't connect these 2 strokes because it's supposed to be 2 different strokes. So 4 strokes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the reason why in some font it's connected is because it goes back to using a brush. But for you writing with a pen, I would not recommend doing that. Ku. It's pronounced ku, like both syllables of the word cuckoo, or just the first syllable depending on your variety of English. How to remember ku. To remember this, think of this kind of being the mouth of a cuckoo bird popping out and saying cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Practice writing ku. Ku is only 1 stroke. Very easy. Pretty much like the mathematical symbol of greater than. Ke. It's pronounced like ke in kelp. See how this kind of resembles some wiggly kelp. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Top to bottom, left to right, and again top to bottom with a little angle. Ko. Ko is pronounced like ko in cohabitating. In British English, it is more like ko in coin. How to remember ko? Ko is a couple of cohabitating worms that are so happy together, cohabitating the same area. Alternatively, you could imagine a couple of short cords lying on the ground next to each other. And 2 strokes. 1, 2. So left to right and left to right again with a little angle here. Let's practice reading. So ka, we saw that it meant a mosquito, ka. Then ki. Ki by itself is a tree. Then we have kuki. 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 And it means air. Ke. Ke by itself means hair. So we have air and hair. Koe. Koe. Koe means voice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた!